What up YouTube, I'm back again with another update video on the 350Z. I still haven't sold it. Been having some buyers come through, fall off, you know. They trying to give me $5 even though the whole car is repainted and a bunch of maintenance has been done, so the shit doesn't blow up on y'all. But in today's video, we replaced the clutch master cylinder. Replaced the whole thing because it did go out. I mean, supposedly I had a guy come in and he said it was going out. I had one of my mechanics check on it. I could have checked on it, but when you have employees, might as well let them do the work, because that's what employees are for. So we replaced it, put some new brake fluid. I'm gonna have him drive it because we may need to replace the clutch on it, but I'll let you know if we do or not. After all, he's the expert. I just know some knowledge. I went to school for, what, 2 years, but he has more experience. Overall, the car is looking beautiful. We added the tow hook, a bunch of other little goodies. We're gonna fix that, obviously. The wings back on. Overall, it's pretty nice. Interior is still really mint. Let me open the car for you boys. Check it out. Interior is mint. So yep, that's the update right now. So let's see how it goes. Alright YouTube, so check it out. With all the 3D printed shit I made, we made this right here, 3D printed. Didn't have a cap, so we made a cap. As well, as you see, we also made the eyes completely free. This is a sticker. Apparently the ones on Amazon and eBay are also stickers, so I just measured it and we cut it out. To be totally honest with you, I fuck with this one. This one's a little bit bigger than the actual one on Amazon and eBay. Obviously the black badge, both sides, as well as the back. As you saw on the printer, we're making this a little nubby just in case the owner wants to make it smaller. As well, we 3D printed the 350Z emblem, as well as, if I pop the trunk, give me a second, as well as a complete diffuser, as you see. Complete diffuser, 3D printed. So obviously it goes right here on the bottom. So that's included. As well, as you saw on the computer, I'm gonna make the canards for the kit, as well as the front. We're doing the cup holder. I'm gonna do a DIN display right here that you can make. A bunch of other cool stuff that I'm gonna be making, as well as the stoppers. So if you want to replace the stoppers, I'm gonna be making those. Basically a bunch of cool stuff. As well as I made the wiper delete kit. Bunch of cool stuff that you can make for this car. But overall, it's still for sale. I still have it. As well as we also blacked out this. I remember Nissan comes with a factory protector, so we blacked it out. We sanded it, blacked it out. It takes about 4 hours to actually take off that thing right there, each side, so 8 hours. So no one wants to do it. That's the reason why we didn't want to do it. It takes 8 hours. It's a whole day at the shop. But overall, the car looks really nice. And then third gear, you got a double clutch. And that shit goes in like butter. Obviously, we also replaced the master cylinder. We haven't broken it in yet. Obviously, the car just sits. There's no really reason for me to drive this car because it just sits. Overall, look at that. So, yep, still have it. Alright YouTube, it's been a few days since I'm hopping back on this. So here's the Z, still beautiful. We've actually broken the new clutch master cylinder a little bit. There's no grinding now or anything like that. I think it was just, you know, low pressure inside the transmission. But it goes through every single gear now perfectly. I did add a few more things to the Z. I'm gonna show you guys right now. As you see, paint matched. I still have the black ones on there. Really nice. I do know I added more stuff. If you know the 350Z, or yeah, it's a 350Z, but it has a GTR engine without the turbos. It's called a 380, so 380Z. I made the flares for the fenders and the front fenders, the whole kit. So it's gonna be including that. It's pretty cool. I'll throw a picture in. It is still for sale. Asking 7.5. The lowest I could go is 7.8. Only because, bro, this thing is not even clapped out. It's so clean compared to the other Z's right now in the market. The Z market has went down a little bit. So it is what it is. I might just be buying another one and painting it red and keeping it 6-speed manual, obviously. But overall, it looks pretty clean. Also, my employees are selling these 2 other cars. So if you guys are interested in a Beamer, I'm not a Beamer person. There's 2 Beamers for sale. This one, obviously, needs a little bit more paint. This one is fully repainted. That's the pros of owning a body shop. Look at that. It is what it is. Well, I'm pretty much done with this video. The Z is beautiful. Fixed it up. I did buy some wheels for this thing. Don't know if I'm gonna keep it though. If I don't sell it in 2 months, by December, I think I'm just gonna give it to my brother, lower it, put some wheels on it, and keep it. Maybe I'll paint it red in 2 years or some shit, but who knows? If someone gives me the money, I'll sell it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Looks pretty good overall. If you guys are interested, you can always hit me up. I might be selling a Z. Maybe I'll sell the red one on 3-piece wheels. But overall, this one looks pretty good.